For air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Let's start your reading. Okay, this is your main, iba yung klase ng reading na gagawain ko for today. You do have the Knight of Wands, the King of Swords, and the Knight of Cups. By the way, hindi ako nagbabasa ng reversal. Babasahin ko na reversal pag naramdaman ko yung reversal na energy. And I will clarify all these cards. What's with the King of Swords? For air sign. What's with the Knight of Wands? Justice card, and the Page of Pentacles is here. What's with the Knight of Cups? The Lovers. Okay. Air sign. Meron tayo nakikita dito na person na pwedeng, maybe someone in your workplace, or pwede na sa career, workplace, or pwedeng hindi naman. But this person is, lumalabas siya or umaarte siyang distant or malayo, maiwas, mailap, no? And pwede kasing hindi siya sure. This person, may mga times na parang gusto niya, may times na parang wag na lang kaya. Alam mo yan, yung parang juggling, and this person don't know what to do. Maybe this is a friend or someone from your group na nakakita tayo ng partnership, kung hindi man ngayon, maybe in the past. So, the energy is like, there's a lot of drama. May mga nakikita tayo na gusto niyang i-express. But, this person is parang nagiging escape mechanism niya yung wag ko na lang kaya i-express yung emotion ko kasi baka masaktan ako. So, no, parang yun yung defense mechanism niya sa sarili niya. No? And, but there's a lot of passion mula dito sa taong ito. I feel like this person wants to offer you something. Pero with the Knight of Cups, either you are, preoccupied, or I feel like maybe in the past, there's a person na nag-try na mag-offer sa'yo or magbigay sa'yo ng something, pero mas inilagay mo or ipinakita mo or mas inoffer mo yung sarili mo or binigay mo yung sarili mo sa iba. Ibang group, ibang friends, or ibang people. With the Lovers, this could be another relationship, another connection. And because of this, itong person na ito, parang napanghihinaan siya ng loob. What if this time, hindi na i-accept? What if this time, may iba ng priority? Or, I feel like itong person na ito wants to communicate and wants to reconcile. Maybe this is someone in the past. Pero, medyo napanghihinaan siya ng loob dahil sa usaping relihiyon or sa mga paniniwala, or technically yung usaping batas para sa iba. Anyway, messages for air sign. Please tell me more about air sign. You do have here the Tower, the Emperor, Five of Wands. Clarify natin yung mga cards na ito. What's with the Tower? The Tower is clarified by the Eight of Swords. I will not take this. This is like an additional message. Pero hindi ko to kukunin dito. Hindi ko siya isasama doon. This is just an additional message. What's with the Emperor? Three of Cups. What's with the Five of Wands? The Hierophant and the Temperance. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the King of Cups. Whatever this thing na nahihirapan ka ngayon, I can say that soon enough it will end. No? And it will end because there's a closure. There's this, uh, like yung universe na mismo ang nag-e-end sa'yo ng bagay na ito. Maybe it has something to do with your career. Some of you, it will be a sad or mahirap na ending. Pero, kailangan mo maniwala or mag-trust sa kung ano man yung mga ending na ibibigay sa'yo. Whether it's from your family, whether it's from your siblings or kapatid, or with your neighbors. Yan, nakakita tayo ng although nakita naman natin na napakinabangan or naibigay na yung mga dapat mong matutunan dito sa mga taong ito. But, maybe this is a relationship or connection with someone and marami ang nabago sa'yo because of this. And some of you may kinalaman din sa work. The Three of Cups and the Emperor is here. So, I can see someone coming back in your life. No? So, after nung ending, there's a person who is going to, you know, may partnership tayo nakikita. And maybe you will share a lot of ideas together. You will share a lot of emotions, kasama na rin yan sa inyong dalawa. There's equality, there's understanding, there's equal give and take. Magandang energy to. It's like a perfect ally for you. Diba? Kakampi, kaibigan. So, maganda itong connection sa pagbabalik nitong taong ito. The Hierophant and the Temperance and the Five of Wands, this is showing to me as there's a possibility of pag-aaway or hindi magandang, if you have a business, there's a possibility of pag-aaway or kagulo diyan. But you are the Hierophant, you are the Temperance. Kayang-kaya mong i-handle ito. Pwedeng ikaw yung pumalagitna or magaling ka kasi sa ganun eh. Like, maybe hindi mo yun napapansin sa sarili mo. Pero, magaling kang pumalagitna at magpakalma ng away or pagkakagulo. Like, pwedeng hindi ka kumakampi sa kung sino man. Basta ang gusto mo magkaroon ng kaayusan at peacefulness. The Eight of Swords, Eight of Cups, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Seven of Pentacles. May mga nakikita tayong pwedeng alisin pagdating sa usaping pera, career. May mga pwedeng alisin or tatanggalin. But anyway, sabi ko nga, pwedeng ko naman yung mga tatanggalin or mawawala. I just have to trust it. Kasi, soon enough, ma-realize mo kung ano yung mas better na dadating para sa'yo in the future. And, I can see actually growth, mas mai-inspire ka na mag-contribute or magtrabaho, no? And i-focus ang iyong goals with regards to your loans, mabayaran yung mga kautangan, with regards to your property. I can see you sharing something dito na para mas mag-improve pa siya. And I can see you some of you discovering some of your gift and sharing your gift to others na pwedeng makatulong sa pagpapalago, pagpapaganda, pagpapaayos, pagpapa-improve ng kung ano man yung meron ka na ngayon. Okay? So, magandang reputasyon and some of you could be publishing a book. But anyway, some of you may kinalaman dito sa pagtuturo ng mga experiences mo sa iba. Hindi para sa lahat yung part na yun. But anyway, take only what resonates. So, I will be getting messages from this deck, which is, this deck is, personally, ako ang gumawa nito. So, pang akin lang to. Like, personal deck ko talaga ito. And, kukuha lang tayo ng mga messages dito. Okay, so let's start. You do have your gift. High Priestess, and it is in reverse. Wheel of Fortune. And you do have your maleta. Evil eye is at the bottom of the deck, and the world. The evil eye is showing to me as not the evil eye itself, diba? Hindi yung mga ganitong evil eye, but rather it is showing to me as gulong, wheel. And yung wheel is, it is showing as travel. Some of you might be traveling abroad, or malayong pagta-travel itong nakikita natin, no? Lalo na with the maleta. Or vice versa. Maybe a friend or a person na may potential na relationship, partnership, and contract sa inyong dalawa is about to come to your life and with a gift to surprise you. No? Pwedeng may person in your life na magta-travel, dadating sa buhay mo. Or vice versa, ikaw ang magta-travel papunta doon, and then you will meet this person. And there's this friendship, there's this relationship, and partnership na pwedeng mangyari sa inyong dalawa. Ikakagulat mo ang pagdating nitong taong ito. There's a lot of secrets or a lot of hindi mo pa alam na changes na possible na mangyari sa inyo. And you do have your maleta, so you have to get ready. You have to, ayusin mo yung routine mo, yung araw, yung daily lives mo. Focus on eating healthy, focus on, if you need to exercise, you exercise, ganyan. If there's this feeling of, kailangan mong pagandahin or i-workout ang iyong habit, no? Gawain mo yan dahil magagamit mo ito once na dumating itong taong ito sa buhay mo. Okay? So, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Please do like and subscribe to our